our entire business logic for our applications. So with this background, let's start creating a sample MVC application wherein to create a sample ASP.NET MVC application, you would need to first start by choosing a ASP.NET MVC project.
Hina, sorry to disturb you in between, but your voice is...
environment.
Hina, I'm really sorry to bother you in between.
That MVC project,
are you able to hear me?
You need to add your controllers, your view components. You will need to register.
Hina, I'm really sorry to disturb you in between. Are you able to hear me?
We will need to understand route. If it is just a display, probably view and controller is going to help us. But if it also needs to have data driven, yes, Aradhna?
Your voice is breaking a lot during the session. Can you please close down all the networks
I can hear you.
Yes, all the browsers that might not be active in the background?
Aradhna?
Yes, there's a lot of disturbance in between. Can you please close down all the browsers that might be working in the background? So your voice is breaking a lot. Are you able to hear me? Hina, are you able to hear me?
Hello.
Yes, Hina, are you able to hear me? Am I audible to you?
I think all are closed. Let me see if I can check. Yeah.
Please continue. If you again face the problem, I might have to interrupt you. Please continue with the session.
I can hear you, Aradhna. Hello?
Tina, please continue with the session. If we face the same problem again, I would have to disturb you.
Okay. In fact, I am on... Yes, I can hear you, Aradhna.
We are facing a little network problem at the speaker's end. We are trying to establish the network again. Please be patient. Hina, are you able to hear me? Am I audible to you? Hina, please unmute yourself. Your voice is not audible.
Yes, Aradhna, I can.
Yes, Hina, there's a lot of network problem at your end. Can you please rectify it? Yes, Hina, please continue. Hina, if you can hear me, please continue with the session. Hina, your voice is not audible.
Hello?
Yes, you are audible now.
It is showing
Are you using a Wi-Fi, Hina?
that it is unmuted. I don't know what could be the problem.
So your voice is breaking
I
a lot. So I think there's a
run
network
the
problem.
sound check again. No, I am not using a Wi-Fi. I am not on Wi-Fi. Okay. Because I am using the LAN cable, not the Wi-Fi.
Still, your voice is breaking a lot, Hina. You're not audible.
Is
Like
it better now?
still, your voice is breaking. There's a lot of lag in between.
Should I log off and log in again? What do you suggest?
You can do that, or do you have a landline nearby where you can access the session from?
Yes.
So I have shared a toll-free number with access codes. Please dial into the session because lots of audience are facing the same problem. Your voice is breaking a lot in between your session.
Okay. Um,
Yes, can you say something? Let's see if we still have the problem and then maybe you can dial in.
okay, fine. Yeah.
Yes, Hina, you are saying something?
Is the audio better now?
Yes, please continue. Let's see. If not, then you can switch to a dial-in option. Please continue with the session.
Hello? Aradhna, can I go ahead or?
Yes, please continue with the session.
I just wanted to check, is the audio better now?
Yes, Hina, please continue with
Okay.
the session. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you. Okay. So let's see what